Request all the dignitaries to kindly come forward for the flag hoisting ceremony, please. Attention!
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, नामे जागे तब शुभ नामे गाहे तब जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे। महात्मा गांधी, महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, लाला लाजपत राय, लाला लाजपत राय, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, भगत सिंह, भगत सिंह।
With the sweet welcome song. So our teachers will perform a musical welcome song to all.
Welcome is an art and it sprouts from the heart. To express it here, I would like to request our Principal Sir Sri Krishna Kumar Singh for the welcome address.
First of all, I grab this opportunity and rare privilege to extend my good wishes and heartiest congratulations on 73rd Republic Day of the country. Honorable Chief Guest, who was to be here Honorable Srimati Geeta Devi Ji Tulsian, who could not make it possible for being here because of her being unwell. So, on the spur of the moment, I take this opportunity to declare that we have amongst us equally important and learned personality, Honorable Dr. B.P. Yadav sir, who has glorified the chair and took the name of the organization to a greater height. Honorable Dr. B.P. Yadav sir has been a very visionary, hardworking and good leader in the field of academics, and he got his superannuation in the capacity of Assistant Regional Officer, Santhal Pargana Zone. I welcome from the very core of my heart to Honorable Dr. B.P. Yadav sir on this momentous occasion of 73rd Republic Day of our school being celebrated. Sir, I am in welcome to our honorable, vibrant and always helpful manager of the school, Dr. Vijay Kumar Yadav sir, who has always been showing his presence in the school whenever the school is in need of his help. So, in the capacity of the manager as well as a very experienced and committed seasoned principal of the DAV organization, I am really very fortunate to have him amongst us. So your august presence amongst us has really encouraged us, sir. Thank you so much for being yourself available amongst us. I am also in welcome to Madam Dr. Vijay Kumar for making it possible to be here amongst us, and it has shown a Nari Shakti amongst us. We are really feeling encouraged by your benign presence, ma'am. Welcome on this momentous occasion. Next, I am in welcome to the former principal of this school, Sri Rajendra Prasad sir, who took the charge twice in this school, and both the times he proved his mettle and worth. He has made himself available amongst us. I welcome him from the very core of heart on this momentous occasion, sir. Welcome to you, sir. Next, I am welcome to all my teachers, hardworking, industrious and committed teachers, all our 4th grade staff, managerial staff and parents who are joining us online, well-wishers, other stakeholders and my dear students. Heartiest congratulations once again on 73rd Republic Day of the country, and the whole country is in the festive mood of this celebration. We are all enjoying this. But the cause of the enjoyment, those who are behind it, we would also like to extend our thanks to all the freedom fighters, the heroes of the freedom struggle, because of which the day that we are seeing the light today could be possible. So our gratitude goes to all the freedom fighters, not only those who are counted on fingers like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Lakshmi Bai, Tatya Tope, many more, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and whatnot. There are still many more who are in obscurity. बहुत सारे ऐसे जो गुमनाम हैं, उन सारे शहीदों को जो अपने देश की आज़ादी के खातिर कुर्बानी दिए, सबों का हम तहे दिल से नमन करते हैं, श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करते हैं, श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. At the same time, I, on behalf of the school, extend my gratitude to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his team, all the members of the Constituent Assembly, for giving the country such a beautiful constitution, which is longest rigid, at the same time flexible. The country which is being governed by the law of rules, the rules came by the hard work and perseverance of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his team. So today is the day when the whole country is celebrating on the enactment, enforcement of the Constitution of India. We all know that it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days in drafting the Constitution of the country, and for doing this, all the members of the Constituent Assemblies had to go through the various constitutions of the world, which were so-called democratic countries, and the result was that today we are having such a beautiful constitution. Now, I would like to say a few words for even those who are the frontline warriors. Some of them lost their lives. There are other members of the family who have also lost their near and dear ones in this COVID-19 pandemic. My condolences go to them all. And having said this, I tell my students that you have proved how you can change yourself according to the need of the time. Children, the world, whole globe is going for online teaching, online studying, and you people are also doing your best at your end, and the teachers are also doing best at their end. So let us make the most of the opportunity available to us, the opportunity of tapping, exploiting the technologies and all the resources that we people have. The teachers are sweating blood for making it possible and impart you the best of education that can be useful for you. I am grateful to all the parents who have closely been cooperating with the school and also guiding their students, making them do what the instruction is imparted by the teachers from time to time. And the result is this, that the students, even though they are joining online, still they are showing their mettle, and the school is not even a step backward. In fact, I must say that the rare achievements, the astonishing milestones that the school is achieving from time to time in co-curricular activities and academics is worth applaudable, praiseworthy and commendable. So the credit goes to parents, all hardworking teachers, DAV CMC managements and our immediate members of the LMC on the line, and as a guide, guru and everything, the manager of the school, Dr. Vijay Kumar. So I am thankful to all of them, and I am thankful to all the parents for joining us online. Today is the day to listen to our chief guest. I won't go too far. Thank you very much. Once again, a very happy Republic Day to all of you.
citizen of Indian should be dutifully and sincerely safeguard the freedom and national integration of India, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to value and preserve the reach of our composite culture, to abide by the constitutions and respect its ideals and institution, the national flag and the national anthem. That is offshoot of brain and brown and age-old struggle of fighters of the country. But it was possible behind while we would stand united for getting our mental differences, which is possible through the spirit of education. I remember the days of ours past while cultural awakening in India was going on. A network of schools and colleges were set up. The DAV school is Lahore soon developed into Premier College of Punjab. Today, there are more than thousands of DAV public schools are running all over the country. Geeta Devi DAV Public School, Castletown, Devghar, stands as one of the most distinguished and prestigious school of the city. It has been imparting quality education to the teeny tots and grown-up who are still awaiting to bloom and blossom further. Last but not least, I pray to Baba Baidyanath that this school may prosper and thrive manifold in the days to come. Once again, I congratulate, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Dr. B.B. Yadav ji, former Regional Director, Santhal Pargana Zone, for making it convenient to attend the function in spite of busy schedule. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.
As the Republic Day of India, East or West, India is the best, India is the best, India is the best. Now, let's welcome to the man who don't need any introduction and known among all of us for his knowledge, honor, our Honorable former Assistant Regional Officer, Sri B.P. Yadav sir. I would like to request you, sir, to please come to the stage and bless us with some golden words. Welcome, sir.
यानी 29 अगस्त 1947 को संविधान सभा की बैठक हुई और उसी बैठक में संविधान लिखने के लिए एक ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी का गठन किया गया। जैसे आप जानते हैं कि उस कमेटी में 7 मेंबर्स थे, इंक्लूडिंग बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर। तो बाबा साहब को छोड़ते तो 6 सदस्य और बचते। इस मौके पर यूं तो प्रायः इसको मैं दोहराता हूं, लेकिन फिर दोहरा देना चाहता हूं। लगता है कि मैंने पिछले वक्तव्य में भी इस पर थोड़ा सा प्रकाश डाला था, फिर कहना चाहूँगा। क्योंकि प्रायः जो हम क्रेडिट देते हैं, श्रेय देते हैं, उससे इस बात को जोड़ते हैं कि बाबा साहब एंड हिज कमेटी। इसको थोड़ा सा मैं साफ कर देना चाहता हूँ कि 7 सदस्यीय कमेटी थी, ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखने का जिम्मा जिनको उस दिन दिया गया, उस दिन की संविधान सभा में निश्चित रूप से 7 मेंबर थे, 7 सदस्य कुल मिलाकर 7 मेंबर्स कमेटी थी। बाबा साहब को उसका चेयरमैन बनाया गया, आप सारे जानते हैं। बाकी जो 6 मेंबर थे वो किसी न किसी कारण से, उसका लेखा जोखा भी है। और आपके घरों में अगर भारतीय संविधान की पुस्तक होगी तो उसमें जो पूर्व भूमिका उसकी लिखी गई है उसमें भी इसका वर्णन, उसका जिक्र है कि जो बाबा साहब को छोड़ करके 6 मेंबर थे, किसी न किसी कारण से उनका कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन संविधान को लिखने में नहीं हो सका। उसमें से दिया गया है कि एक आदमी, जैसे कमेटी गठित हुई उनका नाम आया, उन्होंने इस्तीफा कर दिया। बेशक उनकी जगह पर दूसरे आदमी को अपॉइंट किया गया, बी आल मित्तर, लेकिन एक भी दिन उन्होंने मीटिंग तक भी अटेंड नहीं की संविधान सभा की ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी की।
A very warm and graceful morning to all. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of 73rd Republic Day of our country. On behalf of my school family, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Geeta Devi Tulsian. Due to not being well, she remained absent, but her presence is always with us and blessing with us. I heartily pray to Almighty for her sound health. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Honorable LMC member Shri Pramod Badla. You have always supported and worked as pillar for DAV family. I would like to thank from my inner core heart to our Honorable Dr. P. Hajra sir, ARO Jharkhand John H, for constant support, guidance and motivation. I extend my cordial, heartfelt, warm gratitude to Honorable Dr. B.P. Yadav sir, an eminent scholar and linguist and former Assistant Regional Officer of Santhal Pargana Zone. Your thoughts have encouraged us and enlightened our minds and have shown a new path, sir. It's my heartfelt warm thanks and extreme gratitude to Honorable Mr. R. Prasad sir, former principal of my school, for showing us the path of simplicity and to work with dedication. I would like to mention my heartfelt rending thanks to our respected and honorable manager cum principal sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar and Mrs. Vijay Kumar, DAV Public School, Bhandar Kola, Satha Road, Devghar, for your heartily and constant support for the betterment of our school. I special mention to our respected principal sir, Mr. Krishna Kumar Singh, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best. I would like to thank our teacher in charge, Mr. Manoj Prasad sir, for his sincere hard work and coordination with the teachers. I pay my sincere thanks to distinguished guests, electronic media, print media, valued parents, our dear students, whose presence in our virtual mode of celebration glorifies the institution. Finally, I share my heartiest thanks to CCA in charge, Mrs. Kusum ma'am, Miss Pooja Jha, cultural in charge, Mrs. Mamta Mishra, media in charge, AKS Amit Kumar Singh sir, and all the members related to cultural program and all teaching and non-teaching staffs for their necessary cooperation and support. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made the celebration memorable. Stay safe, have a great day ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.